Cheeks lifting exercises that give you a natural, sculpted look. Let's glow up together. These 7 simple but powerful exercises are all you need to tone and lift your cheeks naturally. Ready? Let's begin. Exercise 1. Jaw opening with tilted head. Slightly tilt your head up toward the ceiling. Relax your shoulders. Now slowly open your jaw wide and hold for 5 seconds. Close. Then open again. This stretches your cheek and jawline muscles. Perfect for lifting mid-face areas. Do this 5 times with deep, relaxed breathing. Feel the burn? That's your facial gym working. Exercise 2. Jaw stretch with fist. Place your fist under your chin. Now gently open your mouth against the resistance of your hand. Feel the tension in your lower cheeks and jaw. This move firms the area where sagging often begins. Repeat slowly 5 to 7 times. Focus on the stretch, not the speed. Exercise 3. Nose and open mouth. Wrinkle your nose upward like you smelled something funny, then open your mouth into an O shape. Hold for 5 seconds and release. This works the deep cheek muscles, helping to firm the nose to cheek area. Repeat this combo 7 times with intention. Exercise 4. Puffer fish pose. Take a deep breath and puff your cheeks with air. Now hold it for 10 seconds. Then transfer the air from one cheek to another. This tones both sides of your face and boosts blood flow. Repeat this 3 times. It's fun and so effective. Exercise 5. Cheek lifter. Smile wide without showing your teeth. Now place your fingers lightly on your cheeks. Lift your cheeks upward like you're smiling with your eyes. And hold. This is your cheek muscle workout. Repeat 5 times. Let that inner glow shine through. Exercise 6. Side lip stretch. Stretch your lips to the right, then to the left, like you're smirking. Hold each side for 5 seconds. This tightens the muscles beside your cheeks and helps define your face shape. Repeat this slowly for 1 full minute. It might look silly, but your results won't be. Exercise 7. Cheek Sculptor. Puff only your right cheek. Hold for 5 seconds, switch to your left. Now alternate every 3 seconds for 30 seconds. This is your cheek contouring technique. You'll start seeing more definition, less puffiness, and that natural sculpt. Your face is your story. It shows confidence, youth, and joy when you take care of it. Practice these exercises daily, and you will see your cheeks become firmer, your skin brighter, and your confidence rise. And guess what? I've created a free printable face yoga tracker, a 7-day cheek lifting plan, and exclusive video tips, all waiting for you inside my Telegram channel. Link in bio, click and join now. Because beauty isn't about filters, it's about consistency and loving yourself a little more every day.